Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Gaming for Beginners. Today in this video we will be learning how to enable character voice in Free Fire. To enable character's voice in Free Fire, open up the Free Fire application on your mobile device and wait for it to load. On the main screen, tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. This will bring out the settings menu. Go ahead and tap on the sound option on the left hand side menu, and then right next to character voices, tap on on. Once you turn this option on, the character's voice should now be active during gameplay. You can also adjust the overall voice from the voice volume slider to your preferred level for a better experience. So that's how you can easily enable character voice in Free Fire. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.